DJI has launched the Power 1000 Mini, a new portable power station that sits between compact power banks and larger power stations. The product has debuted in China, with a wider rollout expected later. It follows the launch of the Power 1000 V2, which reached markets like Europe in July 2025. The Power 1000 Mini focuses on reducing size and weight while keeping a large battery. It uses a lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of around 1000 Wh. The battery is rated to retain at least 80% capacity after 4000 charge cycles. Power output is rated at 1000 W, with support for / 800 W continuous load. This is enough to run laptops, cameras, drones, and other mid-power devices. Compared to the Power 1000 V2, the Mini is smaller and lighter. It measures 314 by 212 by 216 millimeters and weighs 11.5 kilograms. For reference, the Power 1000 V2 measures 448 by 225 by 230 millimeters and weighs 14.2 kilograms. The Mini also includes an integrated handle to make carrying easier. One of the key new features is a retractable USB-C cable built into the body. It supports up to 100 W bidirectional charging. The rest of the port selection includes one additional 100 W USB-C port, two 12 W USB-A ports, and two AC output sockets. This is half the number of AC outlets found on the Power 1000 V2. There is also an SDC port. Charging is fast for a power station of this size. DJI states that a full charge takes about 75 minutes, while an 80% charge can be reached in under 1 hour. The unit can be charged using AC power, USB-C input, or solar panels. The Power 1000 Mini also includes a built-in LED light, which can be useful for camping or low-light conditions. An SOS flashing mode is included for emergencies. In China, the Power 1000 Mini is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan, or about $359. DJI has not yet confirmed when it will be available in other regions.